Okay, here we have the C100 CB. It's a hot plate and a spinner. There's your temperature controller. You can do that manually by changing it here, or you can set it up in a program. Program 1, we're going to go to 150. Then it's going to do proximity, which is the air underneath, for 30 seconds. And then vacuum for a minute. And then air for 30. And then see it changed over to the temperature that I had set for in the program. So that'll take a couple minutes to get up to that. And then we'll run that through. Then we go to the spinner part. You have your wafer on there. To switch over. Okay. Here I'm going to run program 1. Show you the program first. Is 3,000 RPMs at 1,000 RPMs per second for 30 seconds, and then that's it. You can add on more values and other steps if you'd like, but let me just run the program. When you press start, it's going to test that you centered it correctly, and then you can either press 0 or you can press start. If you think you need to recenter it more, keep pressing 0. Then you can keep trying to recenter it, and then if you feel you're good, you press start. It's only 30 seconds. Wait. When it's done, this will just beep and let you know that you're done. When you're done, you can unload it and start again. Okay, then as far as the hot plate part goes, we're at temperature, so the thing will be ready to go. I did change the program just to include each one of these. So we're still at 150. We're doing proximity for 30 seconds, vacuum for a minute, and then contact for 30 seconds. Okay, we'll run. And then since it's already at temperature, you can select bake. Otherwise, while it was waiting to get the temperature, it would tell you to wait, and then it would turn to this when you're at temperature. And then it'll okay. So this proximity. So this is floating on air with the nitrogen or the clean dry air that you supply 35 psi in. And now it just switched over to vacuum. So it's being held down by vacuum. And then the contact is no air, no vacuum. It's just sitting on the plate. It's like a soft contact. And now it's switched over to the contact. And then you got, you can see it's not floating on air, and it's not being held back. It's just sitting there. Then you unload it and you're done. Then you can just hit bake again and you load your next one. You can reset, and then you're back at the beginning.